So we have an angle whose sine is negative 12 over 13, and alpha is not in quadrant 3. Compute the exact value of tangent of 2 alpha. Okay. So sine alpha equals negative 12 over 13. Just the fact that the sine of this angle is negative lands us in the third and the fourth quadrant, where the y-coordinate of the points are negative. And then the problem itself directs us into the fourth quadrant. Do we need to know that? We do. Because the double angle formula for tangent involves tangent alpha, and tangent alpha in the third quadrant, this angle and this angle have the same sine, but opposite tangents. So we need to know the sine of the tangent. Alpha is not in quadrant 3, so it's in quadrant 4. This slope is negative. So the tangent is going to be negative as well. Sine negative, cosine positive, therefore the tangent negative. So tangent 2 alpha, so tangent 2 alpha, as we said, involves tangent alpha. Now let's see. Ignoring the sines, we can draw a triangle where sine alpha is 12 over 13, like so. And then the Pythagorean theorem will tell us that the missing side is 5. This is the famous 5, 12, 13 triangle. And then the tangent alpha, well, the numerical value we know is 12 over 5. But we also know from where we are, from which quadrant we are in, is that it's negative. And now we're ready. We needed this number. And now we're ready. We needed this number to apply, to substitute it into this formula. So we have 2 times negative 12 over 5 divided by 1 minus negative 12 over 5 squared. The rest is just a little workout in algebra. Negative 24 over 5 divided by 1 minus 144 over 25. So that's negative 24 over 5 divided by 1 is 25 over 25, 109. Just gonna be lazy here. So 25 minus 144 is negative 119 divided by 25. And to divide is to, why are we getting, and to divide is to multiply by the reciprocal. So we get negative 24 over 5 times 25 over times negative 25 over 119. I think 119 is a prime number, so we don't have to worry. Clearly is not divisible by 2 or 3. So there's not going to be any cancellation. The only cancellation we have is between 5 and 25. So what we get, the 2 negative signs disappear, and we get 24 times 5 over 119, which is, it's a 24 times 5. 24 times 5 divided by 119, which is 120 over 119. I panicked for a second because 120 over 119 is too big to be a sine or a cosine, but this is a tangent, so we should be okay. All right, let's check. So we can ask the calculator, what is this alpha? And actually the calculator will give us the actual angle. We don't have to subtract it from 180. So we're gonna ask the calculator whose angle sine is negative 12 over 13. Yeah, I thought it was closer to negative 90. Negative 67 and change Then we're gonna double that and take the tangent of it, times 2. And we're gonna say tangent of the answer. And this is just barely over 1. That's encouraging. These two numbers should be equal. If that is so, of course, you can just enter 120 over 119 and compare the decimals, but just for kicks and giggles, if these two are equal, then this is a fraction 120 divided by 119. So if I were to multiply this by 119, I should get 120, and I do. So we got it right. Thank you for watching.